Welcome back, sweeties. If you are loving this black hair on this brown skin, these inches, these edges, stay tuned. Hello, sweeties. Welcome back to the channel. It is Sugar here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button. Hit that bell. And today we're doing Yolovahair. And this is what it's looking like. 26 inches. I did bleach the knots and dye it jet black. So this is what it is looking like. It is pre-plucked, so I have not plucked it yet. I'll see how I'm feeling about it once I get it installed. But yes, let's get into it. Yes, so I already have on my ball cap. So I'm just going to prep my wig cap. I take my foundation brush and my 355 coconut. And I just put it on the inside of the cap. Okay, so now that I have tinted the inside of my cap with my foundation, I'm going to go in with my even glue.
Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. Cause you serve me on a regular. We need to tie this rope.
Sweeties, I know we were jamming, but really quickly I want to show you the packaging. It was really nice. It was a pull-out box, white satin bag on the inside that held the wig and the contents that came with it. So on the inside you get lashes, a wig cap, and tweezers.
I bet she'd be glad she was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew that I won't want to give you itchy. If she knew, if your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting precious in me, she would probably leave you alone. She would probably curse you out and unplug her phone. But she'd be glad, she'd be glad she was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. She's crazy to put up with. But I won't be no fool. But you see, it ain't easy to get with no baby. It's time to put up with you. I won't be no fool. But you see, it ain't easy to get with. She will probably leave you alone. She probably curse you out and unplug her phone. I bet she'd be glad that she was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. She would probably leave you alone. Probably curse you out and unplug her phone. I bet she'd be glad that she was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. She would probably leave your girl only was home. Probably curse you out and unplug her phone. I bet she'd be glad that she was home. She wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew.
What you saying, what you saying, what you saying, huh? What you saying, what you saying, what you saying, huh? What you saying, what you saying, huh?
If your girl only knew.
What you saying, what you saying, what you saying, huh? What you saying, what you saying, what you saying, huh? What you saying, huh?
If your girl only knew.
What you saying, what you saying, what you saying, huh? What you saying, what you saying, what you saying, huh? You ain't saying nothing, baby. Check.
If your girl only knew.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. And I just did some like really loose curls in the bottom, like not really taking my time or anything like that, just to give it a little, you know, a little something. And really quickly, I would like to show you how the parting looks. So it's one of those 13x4s that's giving you the bulk here and it kind of tapers down. It's not one of those that's like 4 inches all the way from ear to ear. So if you're doing a deep part, you're getting that much. If you're doing more of a side part here, you're getting that much parting. And obviously in the middle, you're getting the full 4 inches. So that is what that's looking like. Okay, this hair is really nice. It's natural, it's lightweight, but it's not thin. It's a really good thickness. It's a good density to be natural. I did my baby hairs a little bit different today and I'm loving them. Yeah, like this is probably one of my new favorite wigs. Yes, I love it. So I hope you love this video. I want to thank Yolovahair again for sending this over and sponsoring this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.
Know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. I can't be weak.